Hi, hello friends. Welcome to SreeDeep Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make soft and fluffy puri. Before going to the video, if you are watching our channel's video for first time, then please subscribe to SreeDeep Creations and hit the bell icon to get more information. Ingredients required: wheat flour 1 cup, water required quantity, salt to taste, oil to fry. Now take a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of wheat flour and required salt, add 2 tablespoons of oil, then add water and mix it well. Add water little by little, don't add too much of water, make it to hard dough. To make soft and hard puri, we want to mix the dough into hard consistency. After mixing it well like this, apply oil and keep it for 2 hours. Now take the dough and divide them into several small balls and then roll it. Now take a pan and add some oil, let it heat. The oil should heat well, then only we get soft and fluffy puri. So make sure that the oil is heat and it should come up in few seconds. Then we get fluffy puri. If the oil is not hot, then it becomes very flat and it takes more oil. See how our puri is soft and fluffy. Now our soft fluffy puri is ready. Serve this puri hot and potato masala or potato sabzi. This is a fantastic combination with puri. Potato masala video's link will be given in description box. If you want, you can check it. To try this recipe at your home. If you like this video, like, share, comment and please subscribe to SreeDeep Creations. Thank you and have a happy cooking day.